Welcome to the road to 1 million US dollars. Let's get right into the Bitcoin chart for today, starting on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin, because right now we are pumping massively to the upside and have now already seen a touch with this descending line of resistance that we've been trading below for a very long time. In my last video, we talked about this bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, indicating that we would likely get some choppy sideways price action or potentially some bullish momentum on the 4-hour time frame unless this got invalidated. And of course, since then we have seen some insane bullish momentum. And besides that, in the last video we also talked about this RSI being in oversold territory on the 1-day time frame, and I pointed out how every time we were in oversold territory here on the 1-day time frame, we saw big pumps coming after that. So it is kind of crazy how now today we're seeing about a 10% move to the upside in a single day here, and potentially we are even closing this daily candle inside this range here once again. Now, to be clear, guys, I do not think we are fully out of the woods yet, but I will get to that in just a second. Either way, for now, on this 1 week time frame, we are actually back above the 1.618 Fibonacci level, sitting at 89.5K in the Bitcoin price. And we're getting this weekly candle close in about 3.5 hours from when I'm actually recording this video. So this shows once again that it is actually very important to wait for a confirmation of a big break below a Fibonacci level like this, especially if we're talking about confirming the bear market or something like that. So I'm very curious to see your comments here underneath the video today. A lot of people were calling for the bear market in my comment section over the last week or so. Do you guys think that we are still in a bear market, or do you think that the bear market is now actually canceled? Now, I'm not saying that I personally thought we were in a bear market. Like I said in my videos, I didn't know if we were, but for me, it doesn't make a difference if we are or not. But I am curious to find out if you guys who were thinking it was a bear market actually still think that is the case. If we're talking about my actual trades, currently, I am still in a long position from about 80.5K in the Bitcoin price, and currently I'm up about 300% on that trade. So for now, on this 4-hour time frame, yes, I am still in this long position because I am waiting to see if we actually get a break above here, in which case you will just see me continue to hold this long position. And if we were to break this, maybe some kind of breakout, retest, resumption type structure, I am expecting further upside for Bitcoin after that. But for example, if we lose this ascending line of support, you will likely just see me close out that long position, because I do still think if something like that were to happen, like I said, breaking down below that ascending trend line, potentially we could just roll over from here and just get another big move to the downside, and we'll have to wait to see what kind of low we're going to form in that case. Okay, so that is my current game plan in the market. I'm waiting to see either a breakout above, or I'm waiting to see some kind of breakdown below, in which case I'm closing my long position. Now, if I really want to get technical and just give you guys the full picture of all my trades right now, currently I am also in a short position from about this 95K level, because I just wanted to open a short position on this descending line of resistance. And again, if I see something like this starting to unfold, then you will just see me close out that short position. So yes, I am currently long and short at the same time, because if we start getting some kind of look like this, I do want to be hedged against that. And of course, if we just break through this right away, we'll just take a small loss on that trade and continue to ride that bullish move to the upside. Next, taking a look at the Bitcoin liquidation heat map. First of all, on the 1-year time frame. Earlier today, we took out a big pocket of liquidity of about $14 billion, sitting at around 92.7K. A lot of bears just got liquidated earlier today. And we do still have close to $30 billion of short liquidations sitting around this 100K level. And this is another reason why, if we were to break through this descending line of resistance, I would not be surprised if we get some kind of move up to 99K at the very least to actually take out all of that liquidity there. If we want to take a look at some liquidity to the downside, we need to zoom into, for example, this 3-day time frame. Currently, we have some liquidity to the upside at about 95.2K in the Bitcoin price. This is some short-term liquidity here, but we do also have liquidity to the downside, for example, at 93K, and a bigger pocket of liquidity sitting at 91.6K in the Bitcoin price. Now, earlier today, I also closed out a massive long position of about 500% profit on that trade. And from there, also a short-term short position from that descending line of resistance that I talked about earlier in this video as well. You can see it a bit better on this 1 hour time frame. I shorted from about here, basically the top of this wick, down to this level right here on the 1 hour time frame. And that led to about a 94% profit on that trade. So if you want to get access to my real-time analysis and my real-time trading signals, you can join the RT1M community on Discord. You can join this completely for free with the link in the video description. And again, if you want to get access to my real-time analysis, then once you're in the Discord and verified, you simply go to this trading signals access channel and you follow these 3 steps right here to get access to my trading signals completely for free. Either way, this has been today's market update. Thank you very much for watching once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.